This is the Fox 25 News at 9.
Good evening. I'm Maria Garcia. Groups of people are using their voices to stand up against the death penalty. Today, Oklahomans rallied at the state capitol ahead of death row inmate Julius Jones's clemency hearing. Fox 25's Peyton May spoke with protesters who say they are hoping for change.
I drove up here specifically to oppose the death penalty.
Zach Molson drove all the way from Arkansas to fight for what he believes in.
So I just started getting politically active because of issues like the death penalty, because it's really important.
People of all ages holding signs and sharing their stories, hoping their voices will make a difference.
If we don't go out there and share our voice, who will? And so we've got to make sure that we get out there and we show our voice, because no one's going to do it for us.
The rally comes as 7 Oklahoma death row inmates have the execution date set within the next few months.
We've got the clemency hearing for Julius Jones. We have some upcoming execution dates later this month and next. And we also have a federal court decision that said that those are all supposed to have been vacated. So now you have the state facing off with the federal government as to whether or not to execute these folks.
Groups of people coming together to share their opinions on capital punishment in order to make their own decisions.
I was in favor of the death penalty until I actually did the research on what the death penalty actually is, instead of what I wanted it to be.
Those rallying urging others to speak up on your opinions.
Government doesn't know what you want until you go and tell them.
Although the state has not carried out an execution since 2015, majority of Oklahomans did vote in favor of the death penalty in 2016. In Oklahoma City, Peyton May, Fox 25 News.